The External Services Division of All India Radio, on behalf of Prasar Bharati, in association with National Book Trust, presents Story Lounge. Contrary to popular perception, reading habits are not on the wane due to multiple sources of information emerging on digital platforms. Yet, book publishing is on a downslide. This ultimately affects people who are on the wrong side of the digital divide and cannot afford new gadgets. To support them, Prasar Bharati and National Book Trust have come together to promote books over the radio, which is an affordable medium in the context of our socio-economic milieu. We bring you the first edition of Story Lounge.
A bouquet of stories in Story Lounge, presented by External Services Division of All India Radio in collaboration with National Book Trust. Today's episode is entitled Mango Birds.
Hello, I'm Deepa Agarwal. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe at home. Well, stories are the best way to pass the time when you have to stay at home. So I'm going to tell you a story. The title of the first story is The Mango Birds. It has been published by National Book Trust India, written by Deepa Agarwal, and the illustrations are by Subir Roy. Once, a mango tree grew right in the middle of a forest. It was a wild tree and did not belong to anyone. So everybody shared the juicy fruit that grew on it. Birds and animals from the forest, men, women and children from the village nearby all shared the fruit happily till one day something happened. A strange man came to the village. It was a hot day and he was thirsty, so a village woman gave him a glass of water to drink. Her grandson thought he might be hungry too, so he offered him a mango. Yum! These are the best mangoes I have eaten. From where did you get them? From the tree in the forest, the boy said right away. The big tree that grows there. Do you want to see? I'll show you. So the boy took the strange man into the forest. When the man saw the mango tree full of juicy fruit, he got an idea. If I take all these mangoes and sell them in town, he thought, I can make some good money. So he went back to the town and came back with a big sack and began to fill it. Stop! Cried the monkeys. Stop! Cried the birds. Stop! Stop! These mangoes are for everyone. But the greedy man did not listen. He did not stop. He kept on filling his sack. Then he put it on his bicycle. He was all ready to leave when a crow dived down and punctured his tire. A monkey pulled off his hat and jumped on it, and a goat knocked his sack of mangoes over. The mangoes rolled out of the sack and went rolling down the hill. The man ran after them and tried to catch them. But guess what happened? One by one, the mangoes grew wings and began to fly. The greedy man watched helplessly. Then he jumped on his punctured saddle and pedaled away as best he could. Everyone was happy to see him go. Yay! Now they could share the mangoes happily again. And as for the mangoes that flew away, it is said that they are known as golden orioles now. These birds live among mango trees but never eat the fruit. So, did you like the story? It tells us how we should share everything that nature gives us and not be greedy and take everything for ourselves. This story is based on a folk tale.
You just heard the first edition of Story Lounge. The program was produced by the External Services Division of All India Radio on behalf of Prasar Bharati in association with National Book Trust.
Story Lounge comes to you every day, same time, same channel.